When you go into traces in Wavefront, you see the list of applications. And for each application, there is a health score, basically based on how erroneous it is. Let's look at one of our applications, actually Beachers. When I click on all services, I can actually see all the services and look through what is going on with them. Looks like shopping, which is actually my main service, is really erroneous. So let me actually go to the dashboard and see what's going on. I can see that there are spikes and I had some alerts and a lot of information, but so let's focus on one of the spikes. I can sync everything and let me click on the traces to go down and see what's going on. So I can actually see that this is the most anomalous trace. By the way, kind of looking at the outliers, this is the most outlier trace. It also has errors in it. And looking through the things, I was suspecting shopping, but actually when I go down here, I can see that the failure is not in shopping, but it's actually in payments and in this specific span. So looking through this, I can actually click on the logs and look at the log, and I can see that there is a timeout exception. Well, something is not able to get its request back on time, and that's why everything is so long. So in a few clicks, I did something very simple, from going from an application to a service that I suspected to the trace, and then figure out that it's actually not the service I suspected, it was another service, and now I even have the error message to correspond and then look at the code and figure out how to fix this. It's very easy when you have your application instrumented, and it's very easy when you can follow the metrics, get to the traces, and then view the logs. That's the whole story of having 3D. That's all three in one product and an easy experience.